Airgas Kapolei CO2 and dry ice production facility currently services 6 local Airgas branches throughout the state of Hawaii with products and services to our customers. We operate out of Hilo, Honolulu, Kahului, Kailua Kona, Kauai, and Waipahu. And we're here today to celebrate and commemorate our Airgas' installation of our new state-of-the-art dry ice equipment at our Kapolei facility with a ribbon cutting ceremony. The dry ice equipment will more than double the production capacity for our facility, will allow us to produce more dry ice options for our customers in both block and pellet form, and we're excited for the opportunity to grow our dry ice operations and better service our customers. This new equipment will expand capacity and reliability to our customers throughout the state and will create environmental and production efficiencies. As a leading producer of dry ice in the state of Hawaii, Airgas looks forward to growing and enhancing our dry ice reliability further for our customers, for the entire state with the installation of this new equipment. In addition, we want to recognize the Airgas associates locally who have jumped in to support the response to the recent Maui fires, helping our customers and local suppliers as needed. And as Airgas, we have a culture of safety and support for all of the communities that we serve. And we're so very grateful to note that as an organization, Airgas and its associates have donated more than $50,000 worth of cash and supplies to the community of Maui.